Hello! This is my first video for probably about a month, and so apologies if it comes out a little bit weird. Hit the Bottle polishers are thinking of releasing, I believe they're not out yet, these peel off base coats. A black one that goes underneath, say, holographic pigment or duochrome pigments or duochrome polishes. Instead of just having a clear peel off base coat and then having to apply a black polish or gel polish and then the pigment, this saves you a step. And then a white version, which is good under neon polishes. And I felt like doing a neon gradient for Halloween, so that's what I intend to do in this video. But if you'd like me to try out the black one with powders on video, I can try that. I thought I would do a gradient over my regular swatching hand with some neons. I've got a pink, an orange and a yellow. I've never tried this pink before. I've put two coats of the white, as you can see here, thin coats so that it would dry quickly. The bottles say to do 2 to 3 coats, thinner coats dry faster. You could get it opaque, the thing is, in one thick coat, but I imagine it would be quite slow to dry with it being a water-based product. So I'm going to mask my skin with, if you wonder what it is, I've switched to a bright blue liquid latex that I've decanted into an old Lily Pad Lacquer bottle, the base coat from Lily Pad Lacquer, just a mini one. So if you wonder what the blue is, it's my liquid latex. I just ran out of my clear one, and I'll be using a wedge sponge like usual. And I thought I might do some stamping over the neon gradient with this new Uber Chic Beauty Moroccan Delight stamping plate. Similar to the Moroccan Beauty stamping plate they released a few months ago, but with all new patterns, and I could look at them forever. There's so many different ones. I like the matching smaller images down the centre, some of which look like you could double stamp with them, like these two. You could stamp this one, then stamp this one, and have an outline. That would be nice. If I show you on camera how the white base paints on, it just pretty much goes on like a regular nail polish. But then you've got your white base ready for a neon gradient instead of having to wait for a clear peel off base coat, such as the one that Hit the Bottle make. I haven't tried that one, but it seems to be a popular option. I have the Unt one. What with me developing a reaction to gel polish, I haven't been using my peel off base coats as much as I used to, but having ones I can use with regular nail polishes as a base for pigments or a base for neons seems like a good idea. So that's one coat, as you can see, really applied it really thinly so it will dry easily, and then I'll do a second coat like how on the other fingers. Then I'll mask my fingers, and then I'll show you doing the gradient. I'll probably speed that part up because I've done it before. This is the design that I've come up with using the plate and the neon gradient over our white peel off base. I'm just going to do a second coat of that on my ring finger so you can see how it works. Make sure I've spread it. It gives you a while for it to apply it, with it not being regular nail polish, with it being slower drying. You can carefully apply it so that it's an even coverage. See, that's not quite opaque. If I wanted it really, really opaque, I would do a third coat. But since I'm using it under a gradient and the nail polishes I'm using will have some colour to them, I didn't feel like waiting for a third coat. That's halfway dry, I'd say. I was going to show you the double stamping that I did on this middle finger. Show you the double stamping I did on my middle finger on this thumb as well. I'll just get my weird blue liquid latex and mask the skin so we're ready to do the gradient. I always like to get underneath there as well, underneath, in case the sponge pushes through. Okay. And while the latex dries, I'll show you the double stamping of the dart pattern, those two. I'm using Hit the Bottle stamping polishes in Lemon Meringue Fizz and Grape Mine's Drink Alike, which is probably my favourite purple stamping polish I've ever used, just FYI. That'll have to do, I think. Just to wipe off the excess on a lint roller. And I'm going to put it at the bottom of my nail. Oh, stamped it off screen anyway. Then, to stamp the outline, we get this little start with the purple. And somehow that stamped better than it did off camera. See if you can get you to see that. Oh, not my neatest work. Kind of feel like I should redo that. It's not in the same position as the other one. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I do the gradient now. The extra stamping, the excess, has flopped over onto the nail. So we'll see if we can get that off. No, it's stuck on. If I can push it over. Kind of pushed it about until it matched. Tricky. You get the idea. So on the bottle it says to apply a water-based top coat, such as their clear Keeping It Peel one, whereas this is the White Undie peel one. I have a water-based base coat, Aqua Base by N2O, if you remember N2O. Back when holographic polishes were rare and tricky to apply. But for my other nails, I just top coated with my usual Seche Vite and it came out fine. I'm really struggling to do everything in order today, and you don't need to know that. I wish I could be one of those effortless nail video people who just has it all organised. But I'm just not built that way. What I like to do is use my nippers to get in there and remove, especially with a bright colour like this pink that could stain the cuticles when you clean it up with acetone. Kind of nip that away as if it was dead skin. And a little bit of latex that's left over there. I'll clean up off camera and top coat off camera. Okay, this is the finished design over the white peel off base coat. Once I've taken pictures of it for Instagram, I'll come back and film a little clip of the removal process. I've been wearing these for a few hours, taken my pictures, edited my pictures, eaten a snack, had a cup of tea, and I've had no problems with lifting at the corners and things. It's obviously not that fair of a test, and I'll let you know if I get the chance to wear this or the black one for an extended period. Keep an eye on my Instagram for that, or leave me a comment and I'll get back to you and I'll let you know how well they lasted. But I thought I'd show the removal process just to see, because I've got to get more nail art done today. It's Sunday. I haven't got much time in the week anymore to get my post ready for Instagram. I don't appear to have a wooden cuticle pusher, but maybe I'll just peel with my fingers. Yeah, it comes away easily. See if I can get it in one piece. Almost. Ooh, it stuck well on the edges, which is good to know. Okay, so it comes off really easily, which is either a good or a bad thing. I mean, if you're like me and you do, anytime you're doing nails, you'll usually do 2 different designs and take them off in between. It might be useful to use for your first design, or if you're just a nail addict who does it for their own entertainment, or if you're a swatcher on a blog, if you like to apply gel polish and then easily be able to remove it. I bet you could put a few different glitters over the white one, in fact, not just the black one. My nails are very, very yellow, not just because I was wearing this yellow nail polish. That's what you get when you're constantly taking it on and off all kinds of colours of nail polish, like I am. A few little bits around the edges, possibly where I didn't put the peel off base coat as close to my skin as the gradient went, but that's pretty good and pretty speedy to remove. So for changing polishes up, maybe only wearing it for a day or 2 and then you want to get a new design on, it's very useful. I'll let you know how I get on with it in the future, and thanks for watching.